His hair fall off, so he was bald. Remember when they would show after a while, but they would say that when he said,
Yo, YouTube, happy Father's Day. I think wash, compound, wax and polish SJ. Could have went to the car wash, but I do everything manual. Gotta clean the solar panel. This is something you don't see a lot of people doing these days. They have to go to a car wash. It's amazing. That's step 1. I got 17 steps. Gotta get more water. Take care of your, take care of the SJ. I was gonna say you gotta take care of your bug out there. You guys can do what you want. This is what I do. For some reason I don't know what it is. A clean car runs better. You need a tune up? All you need to do is wash your car. Brush would be nice. I don't have it. Now this is washing a car. Look at the difference, YouTube. I don't want to touch my camera, hands are wet. From this to this. Let's do it. SJ. You see the dirt and the grease rolling off. This front is always a little dirtier than the disc brakes. takes a lot. Do it by hand. No car wash you go to is going to be better than this. Check out the. All right. Keep going. We're not even halfway done yet. I gotta do the other side. After it dries, I gotta compound it, buff it, wax it, buff it, then polish it, then buff it. Then I'll clean the inside. SJ, baby, mad many things. This is how I get down. Compound, polish. In between, we're buffing it. Buffing the SJ. Gotta compound it. All right. Let's get it done. SJ. Like I said, a lot of people don't do this anymore. Hold it down, please. Hold it down. Thank you. I know what you guys are thinking. Why are you doing that to an old truck? That's how you take care of it. Hard work, but it pays off. People today, they want something fast and easy. I really don't like computers too much. To a certain extent, I guess. You know, computers are good, but you don't want to rely on a computer. People get lazy. Yeah, I could have brought this to a car wash. Could have been done 5 minutes, but it won't look the way it's gonna look now when I'm done. I'm not going to go 100%. A couple things I do not have. Excuse me. Armor All. Sorry about that, guys. But I gotta get something on it. I may go to the store and buy the Armor All. I'm doing a fast cleanup of the SJ. I still have to open the doors, do inside of the doors, all around where your foot is. When I do the SJ, I do it right. Alright guys, talk to you a little later. Alright guys, the compound is done. Now we have to wax it. Haven't put the SJ on the other side yet. It's been raining a lot. But I want to tell you, I got a long way to go. I got to clean the windshield. It's a lot of work, but when it's done, it's going to look amazing. Talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I'm just going to give you short clips of what's going on. This side had the compound. I just polished that side. I can see a difference. I don't know if the camera shows up a difference, but you see it's pretty clean. This side, not so clean. Okay, I'm gonna polish that side right now. Get the camera set up. The best thing to do, I should have done, I should have went to the park and in the shade and done this, but sometimes you can't always get what you want, you know. I need this to be a little bit bigger.
That's all they.
Let's see what we got here. Let's go here. Alright, let's check it out. Let's do it. I gotta put it on real fast because it is a little hot. I'm gonna take it off. This is fast. Hey, thank you. Right up real fast, so I'm gonna take it off just as fast. Now don't forget, guys, this is a 98. Almost 300,000. After I'm done, take out the buffer. I buff it all in. Can you guys see the difference? Gotta do the whole truck. All right, I shall return.